Hello. Today what I'm going to do is try some fishing with the GrimSurvival fishing cards. Now this one here is a hook out of the Fowler card, and what I'm going to do is show you how I attach a bobber. It also gives me a weight that I can cast it out. I could tie a rock to this as well, which I've done in the past for fishing, but what I'm going to do is just use this for weight, just a dry piece of wood, and I'm going to show you how I tie this on to make it most effective for a bobber, so I can jerk it and catch my fish easily. Because if you tie in the center, what happens, it goes this way and it has resistance through the water. I'm going to tie it on one end, and that's going to allow it to fold this way and go through the water much better, and it gives you better action for when you jerk and try to catch the fish. This here is 40-pound test braided fishing line, and I made a loop and then put the loop through the eye and then around my hook, so it's just looped around. Now this here is a diameter of 10-pound monofilament line, so perfect for small brooks and such, but gives you that strength. And also these have somewhat square edges. It's going to give me a lot more abrasion resistance for the eye of the hook with that braided line. But what I'm going to do right now is just tie this on, and I'm going to use this bulb right here to keep it on. I'm going to just tie on this end. Then we're going to try some fishing. There we go, we're ready. Let's go fishing. No bites in here at all, so probably not up this far yet. It's early in the season. This here is something I came up with, and I've got it off the idea of the bottle type fishing rings. This here has done me very well for casting, and also the size allows me to reel in at a very decent pace. Also, I have my hand like this. If I get a bite, all I got to do is jerk. So, very nice setup for survival type fishing. Try a couple more spots. I just had a bite. There's a log right there that I have to watch not to catch. Try it again. Had that one bite. Try it again. That's the thing with trout. If they get a little bit of that tip, they won't bite again. You got to get them on the first or second bite usually, or else it won't bite for a while. That must be a trout. Now I'm on the other side. He's right in there. That's where he bit at. I'm going to try to cast in there and draw back because those logs are in the way. So we'll see how it goes. Nothing there. Oh! Instead of just pulling that, getting it in the eye, I'm going to untangle it. Leave that there for a second. See if it actually will just pick it up sitting there. Starting to circle back around. It's not biting. Probably felt the tip of the hook, and like I said, trout are smart. Check this out. I've got the perfect thing for that. So there's a bunch, probably a dozen or so foot-long suckers, I believe. That's what they look like. If they were chub, they'd be biting. They're not, so I'd say they're suckers. This here is a Surf and Turf card by GrimSurvival. That has fishing spears, plus arrowheads, or small game spearheads in this card. So what I would do in this situation, though it's illegal in my area, I won't be doing it, is hooking up one of these fish spears, blocking off the top portion of this so they can't get up, block off the bottom, and then I can go in there. This is only probably 8 inches water, and start trying to spear some fish. That's what I would do in this situation. And this here, I keep in my wallet. So I'm about to call it a day. I didn't catch a fish. I had a few bites, but they were just small. And in order for them to be caught, you got to get them just right. They don't take it right in their mouth. They're just biting the backside and such. So it's hard to catch those little ones. I did have a decent sized trout, I believe, bite. You know, probably 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches. But it bit once, just little kind of thing. And never again. These ones, a nice find, but they won't bite. So, that's it. I was skunked today. Like I said, I could dam that over and try spear fishing. May get a few, but just wanted to share this with you. Show you my trip out today. We still have ice in the wood in the woods in places, so it's still early and the water's really cold. Don't think they've actually came up yet up the stream and such, besides just a few little ones. So I want to thank you for watching. Take care. All the best.